We thank Hyatt Regency for giving us the hotel venue partner, and we thank the press for attending this press conference. Thank you.
Thank you.
All the tickets online, no manual ticketing, everything has to be bought online, and it will start 5.
That you are aware that it is paying rich dividends to our players here in Chennai, especially when our simultaneous match with our children between 7 and 17 years, and 4 of our school children defeated him, and the 6 of them, he was really appreciative of the efforts taken by our honorable schools program. Ever since she is conducted here, it is not because of any recommendation or that she has made on the floor of the assembly. One better slap every time she makes the announcement. Chief Minister's venture, not even the central government has ever shown any interest in conducting this. She has spontaneous and it is conducted in the most transparent manner, and things are taken. I think the Tamil Nadu government's fraternity, especially the chess loving people in Tamil Nadu, and is organized there. If you have any queries, any explanation.
Everything about players. Here you have videos and more information about players. These are the logos. Then we have booking, internet. You can buy the ticket. You can book it instantly. It will start 5 o'clock today. This ticket details has been already circulated. This is the ticket portal where you can go online and book the tickets online. We have corporate box also.
Yeah, this is going to be the hall. Only we can sell about 400 tickets. So if you are going to have a lot of people coming in, then it's going to be a big law and order problem here. And moreover, a championship of this magnitude, there has to be some, ticketing, so that people who are interested in the game. This is a game, we don't want just people to come and see that they're going to. Where is unfair? With both the players agree, where is the question of. Both of them have agreed, let us accept it. We took, in principle, the All India Chess Federation took a decision to support whatever Vishwanathan Anand is going to decide. If Vishwanathan Anand is going to oppose it, we also decided we will oppose it and stand by Anand. If Anand accepts it, we also accept it. We were not emotionally involved in the event. It's a decision to be taken by the FIDE. And we are here, there's the facilitators and we are the organizers here. We are bound by the rules and regulations of the FIDE. Now FIDE has talked both the players, and of course there were certain issues that both of them had to resolve. We understood and we were not kept in the picture, though we know informally about what is happening. Finally, when Anand signed the winners clause, we had no quarrel. And we don't want to give any opinion on it. And Anand has accepted it, who are we to give any opinion? That means Anand has accepted, we also accept. Here is the matter as far as the ACF is concerned.
Okay, and as a representative of, you're a representative of FIDE as well.
I am the vice president of the FIDE.
Yes, sir. So, as far as FIDE is concerned, what is the? I'm asking the same question to you as a representative of FIDE.
What question?
Is it not unfair on a player?
How could it be unfair on a player? When a player, see, there are two players. One player wants the inverse clause to be included. The question of unfair or fair does not come there. In his mind, see, every individual has got its own opinion on the matter. And Carlson thought that it will be good if he has a fitness clause. Whether it is right or wrong, I don't think anyone can judge on a man's decision.
Is there a capacity for it being missing?
I don't think. Both of them are gentlemen to the core. And Anand himself has said that he trusts Carlson and he is sure that Carlson will never misuse it.
Is this going to change the games going forward?
It's not that. We are only worried about the spectator angle. Supposing a player falls sick and the match is not there, you would have already planned your day to go to the match. And when you come here, you are told that there is no match. We are only looking at a spectator point of view. Otherwise, I don't think there is anything wrong. It is going to be a 12-round match. Whether it is going to be after 2 days after rest or after 3 days, The entire match is going to last only for 12 days, I mean 12 rounds. And if there is a tie, there will be one more day of tie break. So as far as we are concerned, it's not much of it. We are only worried about the spectators.
So how many matches and apart from how many foreign participation in this coming Grandmaster?
There will be 2 players there playing. 2 பேர் தான் ஆட போறாங்க.
Apart from local people, you said local tournaments.
Local tournament. Local, we are going to have a Grandmaster tournament, and we are already a lot of Grandmasters from abroad have started writing to us. We will again call a press conference sometime in the last week of October to inform you how many Grandmasters are going to play in that open tournament and how many women Grandmasters are going to come. All that is still in the pipeline. No? Last date is not yet over. It will take another month for us to say about the tournaments that we are going to organize later. We will again call you once more to explain. Total prize money is 2.55 million. Out of the 2.55 million, the winner takes 60 and the the challenger takes 40.
60% and 40%.
That's a 40%. 6:4 is the ratio.
If you could highlight another important feature, like you was talking about the apps that he's going to develop. So if you could highlight that particular thing.
Yeah, Mr. Bharat is here to answer.
Yeah, we have special apps for the first time in World Championship this year. These apps will be available on Android phones and ISO phones. You can see live games, live video streaming, and also you can see the computer analysis on this is going to be very high tech and very useful because in India more than 50% are internet users use internet through phone. So with this kind of apps we can reach to more people.
So he has a question for you.
No, you have to 2.55 million. அதாவது 25 லட்சத்து 500. You have to multiply it with whatever is the dollar. So that's all. I mean, so the price is given only in dollars, and it is not given in cash to the players. It is sent to their account by the FIDE. The Tamil Nadu government has already deposited the amount with the FIDE, thanks to the Honorable Chief Minister. He is such a great connoisseur of all sports and a lover. And we are all so grateful to her for the chess. But for her, I don't think, and she has already released the money for the 2.55 million. It's already there with FIDE. So what else you need, than this enormous support by the government.
சொல்லிக்கிறேன்.